Another video. This video will show you the ellipsis mode when using the text element. Now this is an example. Let's say I've got an opportunity here, I've got this whole wall of fake text, but actually I just want my customer to see the first two lines, and if they want to see the rest of it, they can just click read more or something like an hyperlink where they can just go ahead and extend the text, but only on their own choice. So how do you do that? We go over to plus, we go over to text, and you can do that with any one of them, but I'm just going to choose paragraph because it's easier to explain there. Let's say we go over to settings, go to interactivity, and we flick on ellipsis mode. Notice there is an option there that goes read more. You can modify this completely. You can just say show me more text, something like that. You can really customize this to whatever you want at the end of the day. And the point being is this: so let's say ellipsis mode switched on. I make it about this big, and then what I'm going to do is get all of this coming into over here. So if I go to settings, Salesforce, configure integration, we'll bring back from opportunity, unload, where condition equals opportunity ID equals static, this opportunity right here. Click apply. And then in the mapping, I'm going to say in my text, bring back the description. That's it. That's all I have to do. Close, close, save, publish. Now notice this, when I've published it, you can see there are a few lines. It's all good, but the rest of the text is quite hidden. And if I click on this, show me more text, you can see we bring that in a modal for you, so you can read through the rest of the text at your convenience. And that's really what ellipsis mode really is. And you can even really set it up to show them just even one line, really, if you want, at the end of the day. So they can come over there, have a look at your website, see what they need to see, and if one line's good for them, they're like, okay, I'm fine with that, but actually I need to see more text. They can click on that, and they can now see more text. And let me show you some other functionality too. You can also do configure on-click actions, so whenever they click on it, they can go ahead and do different sorts of action, like go to another page, or do a redirect, or whatever that works for you in that moment. And you can set conditions. Salesforce, you can bring this in animation, adjust your metadata here. You have different types of variant, like paragraph heading, subheading, and it really is incredibly flexible functionality. But that's how you flick on the ellipsis mode.